Oh wait, shit, did you?
Yeah.
What?
Charmeleon reverse. We're just gonna go right to it.
Chansey!
Fuck yeah, I wanted
Alright.
that one too.
Nice.
Alright, I got some decent hits out of that.
What else you get?
I mean, there was a lot of hits, but it's like they gave me the same hits as the box promos. Like, that's
Yeah.
only thing that's lame. I got 3 of 1.
Pikachu.
You want a Dragonite
And
promo?
Yo, Dragon promo?
Yeah, you want a Dragonite promo too while we're at it?
Sure.
Why not? I got fucking 2 more of them. Yeah, dude, that's a. I'm
No Squirtles? I didn't see any Squirtles.
Not a single Squirtle or Warturtle.
I think one Growlithe.
Yeah, I was hoping for the Mega.
Oh, there's another
I was
Growlithe.
hoping for a Mega Blastoise and Venusaur, but I got the Venusaur EX, which is still cool as shit. Alright, I'm gonna give you all these code cards real quick from the last, 5 packs of mine.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Here's the last 5.
You got a sleeve? No?
You want it?
No.
I don't either.
Fine. I'm gonna stack these 2 guys too.
Yeah, take them.
Pika Growlithe.
Alright.
Pikachu.
I'm gonna go back through, give them one more taste of what we got there.
Little hollow, another hollow. That just, oh, those are reverse.
Yeah, the reverse Charmeleon. I had to do it because I had the reverse Charmander.
Venusaur.
The reverse 9.
The reverse.
Yeah,
The reverse Arcanine.
Reverse Polly.
Yo, Switcherooski. A little bit of secret rare. A Mewtwo that
We already have.
we got out of the promo. Another Switcherooski. There's another Dragonite from the promo. A reverse
That's
Mew.
awesome. That reverse Mew is sweet.
Yeah. A little bit of.
Fairy.
Felt like there's something. Another card there. Potion, little Slowbro.
We got all the secret rares.
All the secret rares.
Which is
Charmander and Machoke and Porygon and a Kakuna.
Yep. So not bad. Not a bad couple boxes.
Not bad, not bad.
Wish I hadn't
It
gotten
started off super
2
slow.
Dragonites. Yeah, the 2 Dragonites was irritating, but an extra Mew a little irritating. But you know how it goes.
Well, be easy.
Yeah.
Poke
take it easy.
Padre, Poke Miho out of here. Peace.
Peace.